you walking in the street one day. It was Sunday. You with flowers.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today we're going to do a spring clean with me. I know I look grubby, but I'm not going to shower till I'm done with this because I know I'll sweat. It's about 80 degrees today and sunny, but I do want to get my car cleaned out. I typically only do like a deep clean of it in the springtime. But yeah, I thought I'd take you along with me. I'm going to vacuum the floors when we're all done and probably do windows at that point maybe. I haven't decided yet. But I have glass cleaner here, Armor All for the actual surfaces. I did buy one of those dusting gel things. I'm going to give that a whirl and see how well that works in some of the crevices that I usually can't get it vacuumed out of. Then we'll go to the car wash and get the car washed on the outside. But that's pretty much all we're going to do. But let's get started and I will show you what I'm doing.
Everyone was watching you moving in the beat, cause swerving in the street just to get a glimpse of you. You were posing for them, yeah, you were striding for them, cause you know just what you do. So if I never touch you, baby, you should know I'm going crazy. I can't help myself anymore, cause I've been looking for the one and I would think I found your love, cause things have never been this good before. Cause you're dancing in the corner, you're dancing how you want it, I can't help but smile. And then I started tapping my feet in bed, we're moving to the beat, yeah. Summer nights with you there, I never thought I would've felt that love I was dreaming of. But my hand is over heels and now you got me, and I just can't breathe with you here, babe. And you should know, you can tell me how you feel, put your heart out if it's real. You can dance till 3 in the morning. Don't wanna pretend like I just wanna be friends. So if I'm being honest too, so if I never told you, baby, you should know I'm going crazy. I can't help myself anymore, cause I've been looking for the one and I would think I found your love, cause things have never been this good before. Cause you're dancing in the corner, you're dancing how you want it, I can't help but smile. And then I started tapping my feet in bed, we're moving to the beat, yeah. Summer nights with you and I. Honestly, it's such a shame when my friends are getting in the way. I just don't know what to say, cause it's hard for me to walk away. And honestly, it's such a shame when my friends are getting in the way. I just don't know what to say, it's hard for me to walk away. So if I already told you, baby, you should know I'm going crazy. I can't help myself anymore, cause I've been looking for the one and I would think I found your love, cause things have never been this good before. Cause you're dancing in the corner, you're dancing how you want it, I can't help but smile. And then I started tapping my feet in bed, we're moving to the beat, yeah. Summer nights with you and I saw you walking in the street one day. It was Sunday. You with flowers in your hair and you were dancing with your headphones on, didn't care then. Everyone was watching you moving in the beat, cause swerving in the street just to get a glimpse of you. You were posing for them, yeah, you were striding for them, cause you know just what you do. So if I never told you, baby, you should know I'm going crazy. I can't help myself anymore, cause I've been looking for the one and I would think I found your love, cause things have never been this good before. Cause you're dancing in the corner, you're dancing how you want it, I can't help but smile. And then I started tapping my feet in bed, we're moving to the beat, yeah. Summer nights with you and I never thought I would've felt that love I was dreaming of. But my hand is over heels and now you got me, and I just can't breathe with you here, babe. And you should know, you can tell me how you feel, put your heart out if
Here's everybody decided to get a car wash today. even I feel a little sketchy about doing it because, quite frankly, with all the pollen blowing around, my car will be yellow by the end of the week anyway. But I also haven't washed it in a long time, so I figured it was worth it.
You can dance till 3 in the morning. Don't wanna pretend like I just wanna be friends. So if I'm being honest too, so if I never told you, baby, you should know I'm going crazy. I can't help myself anymore. Cause I've been looking for the one and now I think I found your love. Cause things have never been this good before. Cause you're dancing in the corner, you're dancing how you want it. I can't help but smile. And then I started to tap my feet and babe, we're moving to the beat, yeah. Summer nights with you and I. Honestly, it's such a shame when my friends are getting in the way.
There you have it. I've spring cleaned my car. It's nice and shiny. The back isn't as clean as I would have liked, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. So I hope you enjoyed, and as always, I hope everybody has a blessed day.
So if I